Hello, today we will guide you through how to permanently delete Whop account. If you're ready to remove your Whop account for good, this process is fairly straightforward. Just keep in mind that permanently deleting an account is usually irreversible, so it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need access to any purchases, communities, or account-related information before you confirm the deletion. To begin, go to the Whop homepage and make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main home feed, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile account icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences and security options. After the settings page opens, look for Account Security and click into it. This section is where Whop keeps the more sensitive account controls, including the option to permanently remove your profile. Once you're inside Account Security, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The delete option is typically placed lower down because it's considered a major account action. Take your time here and make sure you don't miss it. When you see Delete Account, click on it. A confirmation prompt should appear to help prevent accidental deletion. In the confirmation field, type the word delete exactly as requested. This step is important because it confirms that you understand the action you're about to take and that you want to proceed intentionally. After typing delete, click the Delete Account button to finalize the process. At that point, your request to permanently delete the account will be submitted. If the button doesn't work right away, double check that you typed the confirmation word correctly, with no extra spaces. Also make sure you're still logged into the correct account. In some cases, refreshing the page and repeating the final confirmation can help if the site seems unresponsive. And that's it. Once completed, your Whop account will be permanently deleted through the account security settings. If you're following along on screen, simply move carefully through each page and read any final warnings before confirming. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you complete the process quickly and confidently.